Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning from USA, friends, connections, and comrades. Today I will be speaking about United Kingdom. It is led by Rishi Sunak, an Indian. I am part of the Rishi Sunak fans club in Facebook. Rishi Sunak sent troops to Ukraine and denied climate change agreements. Then the UK is under Brexit now. The Brexit rules came into force from today or to yesterday or tomorrow. Uh, it is going to cost a lot for the some of the business owners because of trade regime. So watch out for further news about UK from now onwards. UK is one of the largest defense forces in the world. It has it is ranked significantly. It is time for disarmament in UK also. Thank you.